The DNS may sound complex, but this video will make it easy to understand what the DNS is and how it works. What is the DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's a system that translates readable domain names to IP addresses. Thanks to the DNS, you don't have to memorize numbers to visit different websites. Think of the domain name system as a phone book that links names to numbers. The DNS translates human-readable domain names to machine-readable IP addresses. As a result, browsers can find and open the correct websites. Let's break down how the DNS works. First, you open a browser, type in the domain name, and press Enter. Then, your browser sends a request to the DNS client asking which IP address or network this domain name belongs to. Next, this request travels to a DNS recursor. It's usually managed by your internet service provider. The DNS recursor continues to search for the IP address associated with the domain name. You can visualize this process as scrolling through a phone book to find the right number. Root name servers direct the request to the appropriate TLD name servers. The final data point is the authoritative name server. It hosts the exact domain IP details. The retrieved IP address is then communicated back to the browser. Using this IP, the browser accesses the correct website. Even though this process seems long and complicated, it happens instantly. The DNS relies on DNS servers. What are their types? The first type is recursive DNS servers. They react and respond to DNS queries and track down the records needed to find the correct root name server. A recursive DNS server handles the process of querying multiple DNS servers. Another type is root servers. They direct requests to the appropriate TLD server. There are 13 types of root servers, which allow fast and reliable responses. The third DNS server type is TLD name servers. They host and maintain information for all the domain names such as .com or .net. The last type is authoritative DNS servers. They are always the final data point in the process of retrieving the IP address. Authoritative servers have all the data needed to answer a DNS query. So if they receive a request, they don't need to communicate with any other servers. That's pretty much it. If you want to dig deeper, check out our blog article on the DNS. You'll find the link in the video description below.